Hello everyone, I am Ankit Kumar and I welcome you all to Education Circuit. And today we are going to cover top most current affairs questions which are very important for your all competitive examinations. Whatever examination you are going to face, like all defense examinations जैसे कि FCAT, CDS, NDA, INET and any other competitive examination apart from these examinations. And these questions are that much important that you will see questions from that series directly in your examination. Last time in FCAT, NDA and CDS examinations, a lot of questions came from our series. Okay, so please listen to all the points and all the questions carefully and attentively and try to memorize these questions. Okay, and this is the part 3 of that series. We have already made part 1 and part 2. If you have not watched them yet, so please must go through them. The link of complete playlist is given in the description box below and in the I button, and these videos are available on the end screen in the end of this video. And before starting, don't forget to click on subscribe button and active all notifications by clicking on bell icon so you can get all most important videos related to study material for your written examinations and SSB interview for every test, how to crack, how to prepare, what should be the strategy for cracking SSB interview, so you can get videos related to these things and can perform well in your written examinations and SSB interview. Okay, and please join Telegram group also because it is very important. We keep on providing most important study material and quizzes on Telegram, so it is very important, so please must join it. Link is given in the description box below. Okay, let's start. Question number 1 is, recently which Indian footballer has become the second highest international goal scorer among the active players? ओके, यानी कि अभी हाल ही में इंडिया के एक फुटबॉलर हैं जो कि दुनिया के सेकंड हाईएस्ट इंटरनेशनल गोल स्कोरर बने हैं इन एक्टिव प्लेयर्स. तो ये कौन है, इनका क्या नाम है? ओके, सो द कैप्टन ऑफ इंडियन फुटबॉल टीम मिस्टर सुनील छेत्री has become the second highest international goal scorer among the active players, and he surpassed Mr. Lionel Messi of Argentina by scoring his 73rd and 74th goal against Bangladesh in a qualifying match for 2022 FIFA Football World Cup. Before him, there is only one player who is Mr. Cristiano Ronaldo from Portugal, and he has 103 goals. Cristiano Ronaldo is on first position and Mr. Sunil Chhetri is on second position, and he is 11th player among all-time goal scorers in men's international football. Right, this is very important question and this is very proud moment for us. This is big achievement for Indian football. Right, so this question is very important and you may face this question in your examinations. Okay, let's move on. Question number 2 is, who has won International Booker Prize 2021? Means 2021 का अंतरराष्ट्रीय बुकर प्राइज किसने जीता है? So the winner of International Booker Prize 2021 is French novelist Mr. David Diop, and he has been awarded by this prize for his novel At Night All Blood is Black, and by winning this prize he has become the first French novelist to win this prize. Okay, this question is very important and you must know this. You will definitely see this question in your examinations, and please save this question in your memory. Okay, this is very important question. I am emphasizing on this question. Right, let's move on. Question number 3 is, China has set a new world record by running its artificial sun at 120 million degree centigrade. What is the name of this sun? मीन्स हाल ही में चाइना ने अपना एक आर्टिफिशियल सन बनाया है, यानी कि सूर्य बनाया है, और इन्होंने एक वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड सेट किया है इस सन का टेम्परेचर 120 मिलियन डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड तक पहुंचाने का. ओके, दिस इज अमेजिंग न्यूज़. सो क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस सन? सो द नेम ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट, दिस सन इज ईस्ट HL2M. द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ ईस्ट इज एक्सपेरिमेंटल एडवांस्ड सुपर कंडक्टिंग टोकामक, and the temperature of this sun reached up to 120 million degree centigrade for 101 seconds and 160 million degree centigrade for 20 seconds. Okay, it was its peak temperature, and 160 million degree centigrade this is 10 times hotter than real sun. So you can imagine how amazing this sun is. It has achieved 10 times temperature of that of real sun, and it happened because of nuclear fusion reactions. Okay, by nuclear fusion the huge amount of heat is released, right? So this question is very important, and it has become the center of attraction for the whole world. Okay, and see the topics from which questions are asked in your competitive examinations every year of set pattern, like Nobel Prize, Padma Awards, Gallantry Awards, Miss World, Miss Universe, Bharat Ratna, etc. We have already made videos on these all topics. If you have not watched them yet, so please must go through them. Link of complete playlist is given in the description box below. Go through this. It is very important playlist, right? Let's move on. Question number 4 is, recently who has won the French Open 2021 in women's single category? मीन्स महिलाओं की सिंगल्स की कैटेगरी में 2021 का फ्रेंच ओपन किसने जीता है? सो द फ्रेंच ओपन 2021 इन वुमेन्स सिंगल्स कैटेगरी इज वन बाय Barbora Krejcikova of Czech Republic. Okay, and she won this title by defeating Anastasia Pavlyuchenkova of Russia, right? And she is her first Grand Slam title. So this question is very important, and there is one question for you, which is, what is the capital of Czech Republic, right? Please write down in the comment box below. Let's see how many of you know the capital of Czech Republic. Okay, let's move on. Question number 5 is, Indian Navy is set to receive first set of 3 MS-60 Romeo helicopters from which country in July 2021? मीन्स इंडियन नेवी ने MS-60 रोमियो हेलीकॉप्टर्स की एक डील की है किसी एक कंट्री के साथ में, और अंडर दिस डील इन हेलीकॉप्टर्स का पहला सेट इंडियन नेवी को मिलने जा रहा है, जिसमें कि 3 हेलीकॉप्टर्स होंगे. तो क्वेश्चन ये है कि किस कंट्री के साथ में ये डील हुई थी, मीन्स किस कंट्री से ये हेलीकॉप्टर्स मिलेंगे. ओके, so Indian Navy is going to set first set of 3 MS-60 Romeo helicopters from the USA, and there was a deal which took place between India and the USA in 2020, under which India was to purchase 24 MS-60 Romeo helicopters from the USA, which are designed and manufactured by Lockheed Martin. Lockheed Martin is an American company which is an aerospace, technical and defense equipment maker company, right? And the induction of this helicopter will increase the strength of Indian Navy, because this is very important, and Indian Navy needs this helicopter, and it was the demand of it since a very long time. This helicopter is equipped by torpedoes, precision guided weaponry systems and night vision devices, along with Hellfire missiles and multi-mode radars. Okay, so this helicopter can attack a submarine underwater from air by using torpedoes. So this question is very important from defense perspective, and you may face this question in your examinations. Okay, let's move on. Question number 6 is, who has been elected as the new president of the United Nations General Assembly, UNGA? यानी कि यूनाइटेड नेशंस की जनरल असेंबली, जिसको UNGA बोलते हैं शॉर्ट में, उसके नए प्रेसिडेंट किसको इलेक्ट किया गया है? सो मिस्टर अब्दुल्ला शाहिद ऑफ मालदीव has been elected as the 76th President of United Nations General Assembly on 6th of June 2021, and he got 143 votes out of 191, so he won this election by almost 75 votes. Okay, and before him the President of United Nations General Assembly was Mr. Volkan Bozkir. So this question is very important, and Maldives is our neighbor country, and Mr. Abdullah Shahid is pro-India. Okay, and there is one question for you, which is, what is the capital of Maldives? You need to write down in the comment box below. We will prepare capitals of countries side by side like this. Okay, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Question number 7 is, which Ministry of Indian Union has launched सेहत ऐप? यानी कि भारतीय संघ के किस मंत्रालय ने अभी हाल ही में एक ऐप लॉन्च किया है जिसका नाम है सेहत? तो ये ऐप किस मंत्रालय ने लॉन्च किया है? Okay, so first of all, the full form of Sehat is Services E-Health Assistance and Teleconsultance, and it has been launched by Ministry of Defense. The Defense Minister of India, Mr. Rajnath Singh, has launched it, and by using this app, top doctors of Indian Armed Forces will provide telemedicine services to serving armed forces personals and veterans and their families. मीन्स जो अभी करंट आर्म फोर्सेस पर्सनल्स हैं और जो एक्स आर्म फोर्सेस पर्सनल्स हैं एंड देयर फैमिलीज, इनके लिए ऑनलाइन टेलीमेडिसिन सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड कराई जाएंगी. ओके, सो दिस क्वेश्चन 2 इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 इज which country has become the world's first country to declare Bitcoin as the legal tender? यानी कि वर्ल्ड की ऐसी कौन सी पहली कंट्री है जिसने बिटकॉइन को एक लीगल टेंडर डिक्लेयर किया है. सो एल साल्वाडोर हैज बिकम द फर्स्ट कंट्री ऑफ द वर्ल्ड to declare Bitcoin as the legal tender, and by using this it will generate financial inclusion, innovation and economic development, investment and tourism. Okay, and people of El Salvador who are living in foreign countries, so they can transfer money in the form of bitcoins from that country to El Salvador, right? And again there is one question, what is the capital of El Salvador? Please write down in the comment box below. Let's move on. Question number 9 is on which date World Day Against Child Labor is observed? यानी कि वर्ल्ड डे अगेंस्ट चाइल्ड लेबर ये किस दिन मनाया जाता है? सो वर्ल्ड डे अगेंस्ट चाइल्ड लेबर इज ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन 12th of June every year, and first time it was observed by इंटरनेशनल लेबर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन यानी कि ILO. and aim of World Day Against Child Labor is to spread awareness to stop illegal practice of child labor, and the theme of this day of 2021 is act now and child labor. Okay, this is very very important. Theme and day, on which day it is observed and what is the theme of this day in 2021. These are the two important questions from that question. Okay, and where is the headquarter of International Labour Organization situated? Please write down in the comment box below. So this is the part 3 of this series having most important current affairs questions, and for getting more such important questions click on subscribe button and active all notifications by clicking on bell icon, so you can get all upcoming most important videos related to study content for your written examinations and for SSB interview. Okay, I hope this video would have been very informative for you, and if it is informative for you, so please like and share this video with your friends. And that's all for today. Bye bye.